How to prepare projected financial statement in Excel spreadsheet. In the today's video, we will learn how to prepare projected cash flow statement. We already did it the first and second part. If you have not watched it, please watch that videos first, then you can understand this part. Link in the description below. So let's start to prepare the projected cash flow statement. Alright, here in this sheet you can see that I have brought these informations from our previous financial statement, that is from here you can see. Okay, alright, based on these informations and available assumptions and relevant financial informations, we will compute the value of all the component of cash flow statement for the next 5 years. Before I start to calculate value of all the component of cash flow statement, I would like to tell you a little bit about our assumption, that is this one. Okay, so first, cash sales is 70% of total sales. That means we received 70% of total sales of the respective year and 30% will be accounts receivable. Okay, second, cash payment is 80% of total purchases or cost of goods sold. That means we paid only 80% of total COGS and 20% of total COGS will be account payable. Okay. Third, operating expenses and tax expenses are fully paid by cash. That means we don't have any prepaid or outstanding operating expenses or tax expenses. Okay. Fourth, there is no further financial or non-financial investment in the next 5 years. That means we have zero amount of cash for investment. Fifth, adjust an additional capital from the statement of changes in the shareholder equity. That means we have to link this statement, that is the cash flow statement, to the statement of changes in shareholder equity to get the net changes amount of additional parent capital that will be placed here, you can see. Alright, the last one is we will continuously pay the interest and repayment amount as per our EMI schedule. That means we have to pay interest and repayment amount every year as per our yearly EMI statement. You can see here we have a bank term loan yearly EMI statement. Based on this statement, we will continuously pay the total interest and repayment amount. Okay, now let's calculate all the component of cash flow statement one by one. So first, cash received from sales. But let me tell you one thing here. We will use negative sign for cash outflows while positive sign for inflows in this statement whenever we identify the nature of the transactions. Okay, now so for this it can be calculated by simply multiplying this rate to our total sales, that is from the income statement. So let's calculate it. So press the equal to sign and I'm going to link first the income statement. So click this one. So go back to your income statement and select this one to get the total sales revenue and press the multiply sign from your keyboard, and we have to put the value 70% but in fraction mode, that is 0.70. okay, you can put the 70% but you have to put the percentage sign too. Okay, alright, now press the enter key. Okay, now click here and drag from here to here. Okay, now you can see that I have used the plus sign here in a default because we received the cash. Okay, now the second is cash received from account receivable, and we don't have any information related to this, so just simply put the value 0 for all the year. Okay, so I'm going to tab 0. Alright, now press the tab. Now click here and drag from left to right. Alright, Now for third, cash payment to purchase, and it can be calculated by simply calculated same as cash received from sales technique. Okay, so press the equal to sign, and now let's first scroll down and see what is the percentage of cash payment, which is 80%. Okay, all right, now let's go back to your income statement. Okay, and you have to select this one. Okay, and now press the multiply sign from your keyboard, and now put the value 80% but in fraction mode. So I'm going to type 0.80. Now press the enter key. Okay, now click here and drag from here to here, but let me do some changes in this formula. We have to put a negative sign in this formula because we paid the cash for purchase. Okay, so click here and press the negative sign from your keyboard. So click here and now press the negative sign from your keyboard, that is minus. Now press the enter key. Alright, now click here and drag from here to here. Okay, now for the next one is cash payment to account payable, and we don't have any information related to this, so we have to simply put the value 0. So I'm going to type 0 here. Okay, now click here and drag from here to here. Alright, for the next one is cash payment for operating expenses, and let's see the assumptions. Operating expenses and tax expenses are fully paid by cash. Alright, that means we have to just link the value of operating expenses from the income statement in a negative form. Okay, so press the equal to sign. Now press the multiply sign from your keyboard, and let's go back to your income statement. Select the value of operating expenses, that is this one. Okay, and now press the enter key. Alright, now click here and drag from here to here. Okay, now for the last one is that is cash payment for tax expenses, and it can be done same as cash payment for operating expenses. So press the equal to sign, and let's go back to your income statement and select this one and add a minus sign here. Okay, before pressing the enter key. Now press the enter key. Okay, now click here and drag from here to here. Okay, now let's add all the things by using the sum function. So press the equal to sign, type the sum sum and drag from here to here. Now press the tab. Okay, now click here and drag from here to here. Okay, now for investing activities we don't have any investment amount, because we already read assumptions earlier, that is this one. There is no further financial or non-financial investment in the next 5 years, so we have to put the value 0 for these two component of investing activities. So press the value 0 here. Now click and press the enter key. Similarly for this one, put the value 0. Now press the enter key. Now select these two cell and drag from left to right. Alright, now click here, and now let's add these ones by using the sum function. Now press the tab and select from here to here, and now press the close parentheses. Now press the enter key. Alright, now click here and drag from left to right. Okay, now under the financial activities, the first one is issue of equity share capital, and we don't have any additional issue of equity share capital or any informations that we understand that we have any new issue of equity share capital. So simply just put the value 0 here. Okay, now press the enter key. Now click here and drag from here to here. Okay, now for additional paid-in capital, we have to just link this statement to our statement of changes in shareholder equity. Okay, so press the equal to sign, and now let's go to your statement of changes shareholder equity. So click here and just select this one. Okay, and you have to press the minus sign from your keyboard to get the net changes amount of additional paid-in capital, and select the previous value of additional paid-in capital, that is this one. Okay, and now press the enter key. Okay, now click here and drag from here to here. Okay, now for bank term loan, we don't have any additional informations related to this, that is we don't have any new bank loan. Okay, so I'll just put the value 0 here. So press the value 0. Okay, now press the enter key. Now click here and drag from here to here. Okay, now for interest paid on a bank loan, we have an assumptions. You can see that we will continuously pay the interest and repayment amount as per our EMI schedule, that is based on this schedule. Okay, so for this, let's first click here and let's identify the total interest amount from these images here, and then we will copy this range and we will paste here. Okay, so for total interest, let's press the equal to sign, and before I type the value of the total interest from this image, I have to type negative sign here, because interest is our expenses, that is outflows of cash. Okay, so press the subtraction here and type the value from the second year, that is from this one, because this value is already used here. You can see this one. All right, so second amount is 923,313.81, 894,290.21, 861,585.70, 824,733.44, 783,207.38. Okay, now let's select this range and press Ctrl C to copy it, and click here and press Ctrl V to paste it, and now click on this arrow and click on transpose. All right, okay, and now let's change this format from general to accounting. So click on comma star. Okay, now click here. Similarly, for our repayment of bank loan, we have to take the value from this image. So I'm going to type, I have to take the value from this one. So press the equal to sign and let's identify the value from here, but in the negative form, same as earlier. Okay, so let's 228,847.53, 257,871.13, 290,575.64, 327,427.90, 368,953.96. Now press the enter key. Okay, now select this range and copy this range and click here, and now press Ctrl V to paste it, and now click on this arrow and click on transpose, and now let's change this format from general to accounting. So click on this. Okay, now click here, now click here and click on format painter and select from here to here to change the format. Okay, now for dividend paid, it can be simply calculated by linking the statement of changes in shareholders equity. Okay, so press the equal to sign and let's go back to our statement of changes in shareholder equity sheet. Okay, and select this one. Okay, and now press the enter key. All right, now click here and drag from here to here. Okay, now let's add all these value by using the sum function. So press the equal to sign, type the sum, and now select from here to here. Now press the close parenthesis, now press the enter key. All right, now click here and drag from here to here. All right, now to calculate the net changes in cash and cash equivalent, we have to add 1, 2, 3 numbers, so press the equal to sign and now select this one, which is first, select this one second, and select this one, that is third. Now press the enter key. Okay, now click here and drag from here to here. Okay, now for opening cash and cash equivalent, we have to put the value from the previous one. So press the equal to sign and now this one, now press the enter key and now click here and drag from here to here. Okay, now click here and now simply add these two value to get the closing cash and cash equivalent value. Okay, so press the equal to sign and type the sum function and now add these two value. Now press the close parenthesis, now press the enter key. Now click here and drag from here to here. Okay, all right, so guys, we are done. We successfully prepared the projected cash flow statement. Now we will prepare the final statement called balance sheet in the next video. So stay tuned. That's all for now. Thanks for watching this video. If you find it useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you have any query related to this topic, you can ask me in the comment box below. See you in the next video. Signing off.